Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking the essentials: room dimensions, a clear window path, and a 115V/120V15A outlet. This prevents overload. Once done, fit the washable filter and insert 2 fresh AA batteries in the remote. Make sure the unit is plugged in securely. Press the power knob to on, then select Cool for temperature control, Fan for circulation, or Eco to balance comfort and efficiency. These steps get you into operation quickly. Do not skip the filter fit. You now refine how the Enviro AC runs. Set the temperature in 1 degrees increments. Start with 2 degrees cooler than ambient for fast cooling, then raise to save energy. Once the temperature is set, choose fan speed low, med, or high. Use swing to sweep airflow across the room so cold air doesn't pool. If you want scheduled operation, set the timer for up to 24 hours. Eco mode reduces compressor duty, so combine it with a higher fan to keep circulation without wasting power. Finish by setting the timer or leaving the unit on a steady mode. Then check drainage. Empty the condensate tray or attach the drain hose for continuous removal. Maintain by cleaning the filter every 2 weeks and inspecting the window seal and vents yearly to preserve efficiency. If something goes wrong, like a breaker trip, make sure the circuit isn't overloaded. Reduce other loads, test the outlet, and follow the reset procedure in the manual. One key tip: clogged filters mimic electrical faults, so clean first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.